Members of our solar system. The order of the planets in the solar system, starting nearest the Sun and working outward, is the following: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. If you were to order the planets by size, from smallest to largest, they would be Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter. The inner four planets closest to the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are often called the terrestrial planets because their surfaces are rocky. Pluto also has a rocky, albeit frozen surface, but has never been grouped with the four terrestrials. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. It is only a little larger than Earth's moon. Mercury zips around the Sun in only 88 days and because it is so close to our star. About 2/5 the distance between Earth and the Sun. Mercury experiences dramatic changes in its day and night temperatures. Mercury temperatures can reach a scorching 840 Fahrenheit or 450 Celsius in the day, which is hot enough to melt lead. Meanwhile, on the night side, temperatures drop to minus 290 Fahrenheit or minus 180 Celsius. Mercury's atmosphere is very thin and primarily composed of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Because the atmosphere is so thin, it cannot incoming meteors. Its surface is therefore pockmarked with craters, just like our moon. Over its 4-year mission, NASA's Messenger spacecraft revealed incredible discoveries that challenged astronomers' expectations. Among those findings was the discovery of water ice and frozen organic compounds at Mercury's North Pole, and what volcanism played a major role in the shaping the planet's surface. Quick Mercury facts. Discovery. Known to the ancient Greeks and visible to the naked eye. Named for the messenger of the Roman gods. Diameter. 3,031 miles or 4,878 kilometers. Orbit. 88 Earth days. Day 58.6 Earth days. Number of moons is 0. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is the hottest planet in the solar system. Its thick atmosphere is extremely toxic and composed of sulfuric and acid clouds. The planet is an extreme example of the greenhouse effect. The average temperature on Venus' surface is 900 Fahrenheit or 465 Celsius. At 92 bar, the pressure at the surface would crush and kill you, and oddly, Venus spins slowly from east to west, the opposite direction of most of the other planets. Venus is sometimes referred to as Earth's twin as they are similar in size, and radar images beneath its atmosphere reveal numerous mountains and volcanoes. But beyond that, the planets could not be more different. The Greeks believed Venus was two different objects, one in the morning sky and another in the evening, because it is often brighter than any other object in the sky. Venus has generated many UFO reports. Quick Venus facts. Discovery. Known to the ancient Greeks and visible to the naked eye. Named for the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Diameter. 7,521 miles or 12,104 kilometer. Orbit. 225 Earth days. Day. 241 Earth days. Number of moons is 0. Earth, our home planet, is the third planet from the Sun. It is a water world with 2/3 of the planet covered by water. Earth's atmosphere is rich in nitrogen and oxygen, and it is the only world known to harbor life. Earth rotates on its axis at 1,532 feet per second or 467 meters per second, slightly more than 1,000 miles per hour or 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. The planet zips around the sun at more than 18 miles per second or 29 km per second. Quick Earth facts. Name originated from die Erde, the German word for the ground. Diameter. 7,926 miles or 12,760 km. Orbit. 365.24 days. Day. 23 hours and 56 minutes. Number of moons is 1. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is a cold, desert-like planet covered in iron oxide dust that gives the planet its signature red hue. Mars shares similarities with Earth. It is rocky, has mountains, valleys, and canyons, and storm systems ranging from localized tornado-like dust devils to the planet engulfing dust storms. Substantial scientific evidence suggests that Mars, at one point billions of years ago, was a much warmer, wetter world. Rivers and maybe even ocean existed. Although Mars' atmosphere is too thin for liquid water to exist on the surface for any length of time, remnants of that wetter Mars still exist today. Sheets of water ice the size of California lie beneath Mars' surface, and at both poles are ice caps made in part of frozen water. Scientists also think ancient Mars would have had the condition to support life like bacteria and other microbes. Hope that signs of this past life and the possibility of even current life forms may exist on the red planet has driven numerous Mars missions, and the red planet is now one of the most explored planets in the solar system. Quick Mars fact. Discovery. Known to the ancient Greeks and visible to the naked eye. Named for the Roman god of war. Diameter. 4,217 miles or 6,787 kilometer. Day. Just more than 1 Earth day or 24 hours and 37 minutes. Number of moons is 2.